Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
A bad fuel pump often makes a whining or buzzing noise that originates from the fuel tank. It's most noticeable when the vehicle is running, but quiet enough to hear the sound. This noise indicates the pump is struggling to deliver fuel, a sign it may be nearing failure. Addressing this issue promptly can prevent more serious problems, such as the vehicle not starting or stalling during operation.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.